Car's up. Almost ready for Wekfest, but today we're not working on the Supra. Today we're working on Duncan's Supra.
Bruh.
Did you guys know Duncan got a new exhaust? And I don't think he's really announced it anywhere. Hey, buddy.
What's up, big fella?
Hey, before we start, I was telling him that you got a new exhaust.
Oh, yeah.
Give me a ripper, bro. Dude, that sounds pretty freaking good.
I think that was valves closed too, actually. So
we'll run it back later.
Yeah, we'll run it back later. All right, we'll come back.
What are we doing right now?
We're gonna get some truck coffee, and you guys already know.
All right, let's go.
Don't mind the music.
20 minutes later.
Coffee secure for the gang.
Coffee secure for the gang.
All right, Duncan, what are we installing today?
Today we're gonna do the Zestek wheel, which I've been hyped as hell for, and then actually made me get this wheel instead of other wheels. Other wheels, you know? So this wheel should be super sick, and I'm pretty excited about it. And so right now I have OEM Plus steering wheel, JQ Works, magnetic paddle shifters, custom centerpiece, and then an Alcantara wheel with the yellow thing, which is really nice. And I've liked this wheel because it maintained my heating, so that was dope. So, but I'm super excited for the Zestek one. That, and I'm pretty sure I'll be the first one in Washington with one. So we'll see how that goes.
Right-hand drive M3, baby.
Euro spec.
This thing is fire, dude. Funny face thumbnail. Where'd we buy it from?
We got it from 777. So you guys check them out, and we'll drop all their information in the link down below, and you'll be able to use my code.
Not in this video. Just kidding, just kidding. You're gonna use my code in this video. I'm gonna put down both and let the people decide.
You know what? That those are your fans.
Duncan got them to do the Heritage BMW badge, which looks freaking insane. Honestly, one of the best looking steering wheels out here, and there's a lot of cool and neat features that we got to show you guys about this wheel that makes it stand out, and which is why Duncan made the switch to get this. And honestly, I may make the switch from the Campy steering wheel to Zestek as well. If you guys are looking to get a steering wheel, watch this video, look at the features of the Zestek hub versus all the other ones out there, and it's pretty much a no-brainer. But when ordering it, highly consider getting it from 777 because there's a lot of additional neat features that they offer on top of what Zestek already offers to customize your wheel and make it look freaking sick like this. Whoa, shit, dude.
Yeah, this car is fun to drive sometimes.
Hey, Duncan just got the crank up done and you be going crazy.
I do be going crazy. All these crispy downshifts.
I don't know. I think that might sound better.
I think so.
All right, gotta take my first sips. Baby. Seriously, Jaw Coffee. If you guys have not had it, y'all need to.
Yeah.
Let me give you guys an update. So in my last video, I showed you guys my skirts and how there's some like tape peeling back. And the comment said, just throw some black caulk over it and you're good. So I did just that. And this passenger side was a lot worse. But damn, dude, it looks so good. It looks even and consistent all the way through. And I'm very happy. So shout out to you guys in the comment section. Thank you so much. And as for the orange peel, I'm going to be fixing this. Don't worry. Hi, Brad. Welcome. Got him a coffee.
Lifesavers.
What's up?
All right. Got the Supra on the ground. And now time to switch out the M3. And we got the M3 on. Time to put this car up. We are going to install the wheel, but Duncan has to fix his front lip before Wekfest, so we're going to do a double whammy. Let's go.
Yeah, Eddie is a lot more beautiful than I am on camera.
All right, ready?
Yeah. Oh, what? It was already disconnected. No, I'm leaving that in.
It wasn't even connected.
I think we're good. Do I have permission to send?
Yeah. What kind?
But chill.
What sound you're gonna make? What sound you're gonna make?
What sound you're... Alright.
That's good. That was 2. That's good.
That was 1.
That was 1. I think we should send it one more time.
What?
That was 2.
It was 2, but do whatever you need to do.
One more?
No.
Hold on. One more?
Maybe,
It's not Duncan, then. By the time you make it to PGP, bro, it might be dry. Alright, we finally got everything on, and we're gonna do first reactions. So one thing is, Duncan already preset this at home, but we will show you in the video later how you can set up the wheels and all the buttons to do whatever you want.
Yeah, because I'll probably still have to make some adjustments to it.
Yeah, he called off work on Friday just to do this.
It's tough to catch.
You really did, though.
Yeah, hey.
All right, let's get this baby on.
All right, let's see. Ooh, brother. All right.
Oh, I was like, why is it lighting up?
I'll put the battery on.
But do you have to start the car to get it to light up?
Here, yeah, just keep your foot off the brake. Press the button.
Oh.
Yo. Yeah, no, that's fire. That's fire.
That is fire. Wait, oh, you set up multiple different colors?
Yeah, I set mine yellow this side and then red this side.
Damn, that actually looks fire. Hey, take it off again. Put it on with the car on now.
Oh, there it is. That's the volume. This is sick. All right.
Dude, it looks so good.
And no codes either, obviously.
Whoa.
Yeah, that's fire.
I need it.
It looks so good.
Dude, the badging that they did, so 777 did this custom, but look at it. It's not even a sticker.
Yeah.
It's like bubbled out. It looks legit OEM. Ooh, that's fire, dude.
So good.
Oh,
All right, we'll hit the horn.
it works. It works. Is this horn too? Oh shit.
Yeah, chill, bro.
I was testing it out, bro.
Chill,
I was
bro.
testing it out. Yeah, I need this too. Because the KMP one, you don't even get a horn.
Yeah.
For the Supra.
That's in your game now.
I know, right? It's gonna feel
It's
weird.
about time.
Now you need a roll cage.
Yeah, maybe end of this year. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see.
All right, so we got Duncan's wheel all installed, and we're wrapping up the day. Holy crap, this thing is freaking nasty. Hopefully you guys can see me right now. Whew. So one thing I really like about this wheel is you can see the pin connectors don't poke out. It sits flush, and you can't damage the pins, and you don't have to worry about that. Let's say I have one for the Supra, and I want to steal Duncan's wheel. This is what integrates with the car and with the hub. So I can go ahead and put Duncan's wheel on my Supra and it'll still work perfectly. But damn, this thing, that is freaking fire. After Jimmy installed his JQ Works wheel and now this one, I actually like the lights at night because driving with the KMP wheel, it gets very dark and I can't see any of my buttons and I miss a horn and this one works. All right, let's see what the guys are up to. The last thing we're doing is took off Duncan's bumper so that we can fit it correctly for Wekfest, and
Because this side is more.
I think we're looking good. Damn, that was started looking a lot better. Up here too, holy crap, it's sitting flush. It is sitting really good.
Yeah,
And look guys, after one day, you guys only see it here.
everything's fine.
Literally the next day.
Play that audio.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
When you say that you're fine.
All right, I hate you guys.
What?
I did it to myself.
I'm placing blame on other people.
That one's not really even moving.
Are you filming in
SNQ?
SNQ?
No.
Okay.
Sure.
No.
Sorry.
All right, after a long ass day, we got Duncan's wheel on and his lip finally sitting perfectly. Like, it was so much better. So much better.
Oh yeah, a lot better.
Now, I don't know what LCM can say.
Dude, chill. Now he's gonna really look at me.
Good.
Yep.
Dude, look at the front lip. It looks so, it sits so much better. She's sitting way better. Just let him get out. You're looking good. Go all the way back. All right, holy crap, long ass day. Got my car back on the jack stands. Duncan's about to leave. This is probably not gonna be the end of the video though. It's just raining outside and we want the 3M to cure. So we're probably gonna drive the car and test the wheel another day. Dude, this weather's so but it's supposed to be very nice for Wekfest and all of this should be gone. You gotta get home before the flood warning, bro.
I know. Car's too low to go through water, you know?
Dude, look, it sits so much better. Yeah, Duncan gotta get home. Damn, one of my dream wheels looks so good.
I don't think I'm forgetting anything.
If you do, you only live like 5 minutes away.